Samsung has made a significant move that has generated a buzz among its fan base. The focal point of discussion revolves around the Exynos chip, particularly the latest iteration, Exynos 2400, which is slated to power the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. This strategic decision follows Qualcomm's impressive performance this year with its S3 lineup. The rationale behind Samsung's choice is now clearer, and it revolves around cost-cutting measures. Recent reports suggest that Qualcomm has raised the price of the Snapdragon 3 chip for its next-generation 2034 flagship devices. This shift has resulted in a noticeable trend among Android smartphones for the upcoming year, with many opting for MediaTek flagship chips or Qualcomm's Snapdragon 2 chip instead of the Snapdragon 3. However, Samsung is taking a distinct path. Rather than relying on external options, they are embracing their in-house Exynos 2400 processor. This chip has undergone 2 years of development and is now ready for deployment. Insights from a new report from China shed light on the specifications of the Exynos 2400. It will feature a 10-core CPU chip with a potential 12-core GPU, aiming to deliver performance twice as fast as the Exynos 2200. Manufactured using Samsung's improved 4nm process, the Exynos 2400 aims to provide strong performance. Although it may not reach the level of the 4nm DSNC process used in the HN3 chip, its potential is promising. Notably, the Exynos 2400 will integrate a single Cortex X4 CPU core, akin to the Snapdragon 3. However, it will operate at a slightly lower clock speed of 3.1 GHz. The camera ESP is anticipated to match the power of the Snapdragon 3, supporting camera sensors up to 320 megapixels, and enabling the capture of 8K videos at 60 fps. Similar to the Snapdragon 3, the Exynos 2400 will also be equipped for satellite connectivity, thanks to the Exynos 5300 modem unveiled earlier this year, enabling two-way communication with satellites. For the GPU aspect, Samsung is adopting the latest Xchips 920 GPU, reportedly doubling the performance of its predecessor. While it might not precisely match the Snapdragon 3's performance, it's expected to come close. Samsung is also advancing in software development, actively working on firmware for the entire Galaxy S24 lineup. These phones will run on Android 14 and could feature One UI 6.1. Furthermore, leaked images provide a glimpse of the physical batteries for the upcoming Galaxy S24 models. While the sizes mostly align with the previous S33 lineup, there's a slight increase in battery capacity for the S24 Plus. This suggests notable efficiency improvements stemming from the latest chipsets. The resurgence of the Exynos chip is undeniable and is set to leave an impact on the Galaxy S34 series. As we await official announcements from Samsung, there's a strong expectation that the Exynos 2400's performance will at least be on par with the Snapdragon 3. Achieving this milestone would not only benefit consumers, but also bolster Samsung's market position. Ultimately, time will reveal the true performance potential of the Exynos 2400.